we got 30. Dude in the black is 30. The other dude's 29. All right. 6 foot, 5'9". Okay. 183.5, 182, 70. So they're about even. They're roughly about even. 3-0, 3-0. They're about even. All right, let's see what's happening. All right, El Perro. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Rodriguez gonna get first lick.
Oh shit.
Right on 3, blue. Right on 3.
Right on 3.
Oh shit. Let's see if he knocks him out. 1, 2, 3. Damn, he ate that shit. He ate that shit. He's like, no, that was a weak ass punch. I'm not gonna lie, that was a weak ass punch. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. That was a weak ass punch. That was a weak ass slap. Like he didn't even come all the way through. He stopped right here. I mean, the other dude, he came from Alabama all the way back to Texas on your ass. Then went to fucking New York to grab a fucking bagel over in the Jewish community and then came back on your ass. Oh, this nigga about to slap you in oblivion. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Ooh! Oh! 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 Buckled him. Oh! Oh, shit.
He's up, but I don't think he's awake. I don't know if he's with it. He's going to walk to him. He's a little wobbly. I don't know, man. Oh, they're going to give him another shot. That's it.
Oh. What the fuck?